Is berberine really nature's Ozempic? What science actually is telling us? Everywhere you look online, people are calling berberine the natural Ozempic medication. But is it really true, or is it just another online trend? Hey, I'm Dr. Holly Donahue, the Root Cause Doctor, and in this video, we're going to take a deep science-backed look at what berberine actually does and how it compares to GLP-1 like Ozempic, and what you need to know if you're trying to truly support your healthy blood sugar and weight naturally. When I searched nature's Ozempic online, I found thousands of people using berberine with real results. But what really surprised me the most was how many mainstream articles tried to truly discredit it, saying it's unsafe, it's untested, or it can cause side effects like gas, bloating, or diarrhea. Let's be real, berberine has been used for thousands of years and it's from our earth. It's been used in traditional medicine and studied in modern science for decades. What's really happening here is skepticism, a natural compound that cannot be patented. So what truly is berberine, you ask? It's not a single plant, it's a phytonutrient, a powerful compound found in plants like barberry, golden seal, and even Oregon grape. Modern research shows that berberine can lower blood sugar by improving your insulin sensitivity, support healthy cholesterol and triglycerides levels, protect your liver and reduce fatty liver disease risk, improve your mitochondrial function, which means more energy, better metabolism, and cellular repair. It even enhances how vitamin D is activated in the body for the immune system. In short, it doesn't just melt fat. It works on the root cause of slowing metabolism and weight gain, aka insulin resistance. Here's where it gets super interesting. Several studies have compared berberine to metformin. Metformin is one of the most widely first prescribed drugs for type 2 diabetes, and the results are strikingly similar. Berberine can balance blood sugar just effectively as metformin, but with far fewer side effects. Metformin even carries a black box warning for serious adverse reactions, while berberine in typical doses around 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams per day. Again, I am not prescribing, I'm sharing information. It has minimal issues for most people. The reason big pharmaceutical companies may discourage berberine use, you can't patent it, and that means no profit motive to fund massive trials. Let's clear something up. Berberine isn't a magic fat melting pill. What it does fix is the underlying systems that make fat loss difficult in the first place. It reduces insulin resistance, helping your body to burn stored fat instead of storing it. It slows gluconeogenesis, which is the process where your liver creates excess sugar when it doesn't know what to do with it. It also improves mitochondrial biogenesis, literally creating more energy factories inside your cells. It also helps clear out damaged mitochondria, and damaged mitochondria is a hallmark of chronic disease, fatigue, and even aging. When you combine berberine with a low glycemic diet, exercise, plus intermittent fasting, it can dramatically amplify your body's ability to stay lean, energized, and metabolically strong. Most studies use about 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams per day. Again, check with your practitioner, and it's split into 2 or 3 doses with meals. Mild digestive upset can occur, and I have seen it happen in patients. So start low and work your way up, but make sure you're safe to be taking this. When used properly, berberine is one of the safest, most studied botanical compounds available today, with benefits that far reach beyond weight management. Here's the truth: whether it's Ozempic or berberine, no supplement replaces the power of habits and your nutrition and movement. Berberine works best when your blood sugar is stable, your stress is under control, and your meals are built around nutrient-dense whole foods that come from this earth. This is where real root transformation happens when you combine smart nutrition, mindful movement, and metabolic support. If you are ready to stabilize your blood sugar naturally, reduce cravings, and support your metabolism at the root cause, join me inside the Sugar Detox Challenge. In just 5 days, I'm going to teach you the same strategies that I work with my patients on a daily basis to reset their metabolism, lower inflammation, and finally get you off that blood sugar roller coaster ride with no injections required, and help you get rid of that sugar addiction that is more addictive than cocaine. Click the link on the description and join now. I'm Dr. Holly Donahue, the Root Cause Doctor, helping you uncover what your body has been trying to tell you all along. If this video helped you, please hit the like button so you can be included in all the videos that I'm going to be discussing to help you reduce your sugar cravings and live in a body that you love. So subscribe, share the video, and I cannot wait to see you again.